Okay, we've got two Portentas here. One's hooked up. First step here to get the Tlera Murata module, STM32 connected. We've got to make sure we've got the Portenta H7 M7 core set up. Because only one's connected, we've got our port going. And this is the bridge. So the Portenta bridge, they're really quick. On the Linux machine. This seems to only work on the Linux. So that's good. I'm going to unplug that one, plug in the other one. You know what? I did not double push the button to get it into bootloader mode. It's kind of nice. You don't have to stress out about the port. So I'm going to do both of these again. So this one's now properly done. And watch for it to compile and upload. So this is just regular Portenta stuff I'm doing at the moment. Let's get this other one. Bootloader mode, double push it, perfect. And check the port. Yeah, it's live. Upload that. So that's just regular Portenta. This is a bridge to talk to the LoRa Murata module. And then we're going to install, that looks like that's done. So now, without rebooting these Portentas, we're now going to switch the board. This is the normal install of the GrumpyOldPizza module. This is Facchino's or my version of it. And there we go. So now, without rebooting these, they're just plugged in because they've still got the Portenta code running on the Portenta. This should flash it to, and let's look down here. Good, it's flashing. Okay, so I'm going to, that was really quick. It's done. I'm going to plug in the other one. Same thing, you saw it flash there, hopefully briefly. And just check the port. Yeah, the port's live. So flash that one. So what's happening is the Portenta is running a serial code to flash there. Right now it's flashing it to the Murata module. Now I could work from the serial monitor here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Portenta. What is that? This bit of code. Why aren't you loading up? There we go. This is the Portenta serial. So now that we flashed the Murata module, I want to go back to the Portenta. There it is. And I want to flash this code. Let's check the port. Now I guess I could double push the boot button, but I don't think it's needed. I think it'll flash okay. If we have problems flashing this one, we can, because the Murata module is already programmed. I'm going to unplug that one, plug in the other one. So I didn't see anything flash when I plugged that one in. That is this one. Let's just plug it in again. There was a flash. And same thing, check the port. Yeah, it's live. Go for it. Okay, so I still only have one plugged in. It looks like it's flashed. I'm going to go to the serial monitor and I type something and oh, it did send, but that's kind of weird because the other one's not plugged in. So I'm going to plug this in and do this bit of code, which should show me that both these ports are running. I know TTY ACMO or ACM0 is this one because it was plugged in first. So this one here must be the TTY ACM1. So I load that up, and if I type something here, see it shows up over there. If I type something here, it shows up over there. It even tells me the RSSI. strength -27. As you get closer to 0, it's stronger, so -27 is really good. Negative like 120 would really be really bad. And if we have a look at the code, you can see that. Now, a couple of things to remember. If I type something too long, hopefully it won't, okay, it's split it into 2 bits, okay? It's actually supposed to error on that. Let's try. I don't think I can type something just because this is the screen program. This is a regular Arduino screen. So I haven't showed you how to install it yet, but at least that's kind of some sort of proof that it's working. The fact that these 2 antennas are touching, I don't think is relevant. Let's just hello, send that, sending link 6, hello, receiving hello, parse packet 6, RCI -37. It works. It's not the easiest way to do stuff, and that's why what I did was I took the code, this code, if I can ever get it, the Murata GrumpyOldPizza code, found its binary file, used something called XXD to convert that binary file into a header C file, and then grab something from the MakerWAN. MakerWAN, where did it go? Well, it's the equivalent of this, and that allows you just with regular, with a Portenta, let's get back there, examples, Portenta Pro, Shields, Pure LoRa, and this one, the update standalone, that installs, instead of doing this whole thing with a GrumpyOldPizza, that just installs the binary program onto the LoRa module, and then you can do the serial LoRa. So that makes it a lot easier. You just stay in the regular Portenta H7 M7 core programming. But if you wanted to do this kind of programming with a GrumpyOldPizza, there's the code, and yeah, it does work. Yeah, that's it.